birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To dear Santa.
Happy birthday to you.
God bless you, Santa. Enjoy the day.
Hello, happy birthday, Shanta.
Hello, happy birthday, Santa. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
We are missing you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Santa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to our beautiful Sancha with lovely, lovely, lovely talents, a dancer par excellence, a super baker, and the most beautiful aloo lover. Stay home. bolo.
All the best.
Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.
Hello Sansha, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Sansha, our adorable sweetheart. You are very sweet and smart. With your awesome dance, you all take our heart. The special dishes which you make to our delight. So, our darling, a very happy birthday. Stay blessed always. Be happy from Tauji and Daiji.
Hello Sansha, here's Princey also wishing you a very happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hi Sansha, wishing you a very very happy birthday. All the best. Have a lovely day. Enjoy and a lovely year ahead. Be good and have a lot of fun. Happy birthday.
Cynthia, happy birthday to you. I love you. I miss you so much. Yeah, I always remember your sharing is caring. Hope to see you soon in Malaysia. Bye.
Hi Sancha, happy birthday. You're 12 now, so that means you can't be a baby anymore because you're going to be 13 next year. I miss you and I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Hi Sanchia, happy birthday. We're sitting at the beach and wishing you birthday. We are following the rules, and here's my mask. So we're taking care. You take care of yourself. Stay safe. Love you, darling. Say hi, Sanchia. Say hi, Sanchia. Say hi. Hi, Sanchia. Say happy birthday, Sanchia. Mwah.
Sanchia, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Have fun. All the best.
Hi. How are you? You want to celebrate Sanchia?
Yes.
What you must tell her?
Happy birthday, Sansha.
Happy birthday, Sanchia. That's so good. What else? What will you tell her? What else you must tell her? And I
love you.
That's so nice.
Happy birthday, Sansha. You're the best sister, you're the best artist and dancer.
I baked you a pie. Oh boy, what flavor? Pie.
Dad, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, I'm Dad.
Why did you name me this way? Why?
Happy birthday, Sansha. You're my sweet, adorable sister.
Happy birthday, Sancha. I hope you're having a good day. All the best in the year ahead. What I really love about you is how passionate you are about dance, and hopefully we can dance together soon because I love doing that. I hope you have an amazing, amazing day, and I will see you soon after all this COVIDness is over. Bye!
Hi Sancha, happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day. Best wishes. Take care. See you soon in India. Stay safe.
Hi Sanchia, happy birthday. I hope you have a great year ahead and you are super talented. I'm super proud of you. I hope you have a great birthday. Hope to see you soon. So much love.
Happy birthday, Sansha. I'm sending you lots of love. I miss seeing you dance. I hope you're dancing and I hope you're also studying during this time. Sending you a big hug and lots of kisses to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanchia. Happy birthday to
You are super cute, an excellent student, and a very graceful learner and dancer. Stay the same, Sanchia. I hope you're having a great birthday. I know it is quarantine going on, but be sure that this is going to end soon and you're going to have a lot of fun with your friends, and your mom is going to organize a big party for everybody for sure. Have fun. Love you.
Hi Sanshia, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you, have the best birthday ever. Although it is a lockdown birthday, but you enjoy it to the maximum. Also, you are one of the best students I've ever had. I'm very proud of you and I am really lucky to have you as my student. I wish I could meet you personally and wish you, but I will compensate for this when I meet you personally. Keep it up. You are an all-rounder, be it dance, be it your studies, extracurricular activities. I love you the way you are. Keep it up. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sancha. May God bless you. I hope you're enjoying your birthday. I love your dance moves. They're amazing. You dance like a rock star. You're gonna rock the whole world someday. And we've been childhood friends since so long. I hope this friendship continues. It should never break. And even Zoe wants to tell you happy birthday. Happy birthday! May God bless you and have an amazing day. Happy birthday once again. Bye!
Happy birthday, sweetheart. So it's a quarantine birthday. Hope you're enjoying your birthday. Hope to meet you soon after quarantine gets over. And keep smiling, keep dancing. Never give up in your life. Try till you get succeed. I'll always be there for you whenever you need me. I'll always hold your hands. Whenever you are sad or you're happy, I'll always be there in your good and your bad terms. And you are a ball of happiness. You are a great dancer. Never change who you are. Always keep a smile on others' face and even your face. Last but not the least, wish you a very happy birthday. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Chundu! Oh my god, finally the most awaited day is here. It's your birthday and you finally turned 12. I love you so much. We've been friends for a lot of years. I've lost count. We've been friends for a lot of years. Throughout our childhood, we've been such good best of friends. And I've had so many good memories with you. From the times where you call me Dudi and I call you Chuntu. I've always wanted a younger sister and you are the best I could ever wish for. And I love you a lot and enjoy your day to the fullest. Though it's quarantine, but your friends are there with you. I love you a lot. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Sanchia, wish you a very happy birthday. And one thing I like about you is your dance steps. And I think so you will teach me your dance steps. And keep smiling and keep dancing. Bye.
Happy birthday, have the best quarantine birthday ever, and I really missed you and I love you and I miss hanging out with you. And you have been really supportive and making me laugh all the time whenever I meet you.
Happy birthday, Sancha. So it's a quarantine birthday. Hope you enjoy your birthday.
No need to go down, rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down, rock that, run that, this how we from.
Hey Sancha, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day and I miss you so much and I love you a lot. I still remember the first time we met in the YouTube fan fest and we stuck up to the sponsors. It was so much fun. Every time we meet I have a great time with you and I hope to meet you soon. I miss you and I love you a lot. And have a great birthday. This video is for you. Hope that video at least brought a smile on your face in your quarantine birthday.
The little princess Sancha, may God bless you, may all wishes come true, stay safe, stay home. You're such an amazing dancer. I just love your dances and your cute little photographs and TikToks. You're just amazing. In fact, you're the best. I love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Sancha. May God bless you. You are the cutest and the prettiest person I've ever met. I love you so much, and you are the best person to advise me good things and support me. I hope you have a great day, and I'm always there for you no matter what. And happy birthday once again. I love you so much. Bye.
Hi Sancha, I wish you a very very happy birthday and I hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday, Sancha. I'm wishing you, because I love you, you're my best friend. Happy birthday to you. You're such a special friend who deserves this special day. You for being who you are and bringing joy and love all the way. You make us smile and laugh with everything you do. So today we get to send you a special birthday wish to you. Happy birthday, love you, stay home, stay safe.
Sancha, happy birthday. I really hope you have a very good day.
Hello, Aloo Wali, saucy girl. Happy birthday, cutie. Enjoy your day. I love you so much. You're a bundle of happiness. And oh my god, you are so cute. And your dressing sense, it drives me crazy. Anyways, enjoy your day, sweetheart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, God bless you. Oh, friends and you. Happy birthday, go. God bless you. Happy birthday. Many happy lockdown day.
Happy birthday, Sancha. Have a super duper birthday. Keep smiling the way you always do. Love you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Sancha. May God bless you. Have a great day, beta.
Happy birthday, Santa Didi. Happy birthday to you, Santa. Happy birthday, beta.
Happy birthday, Sancha.
Pull it up. मैंने full नहीं बोला है. Happy birthday, Santa Didi. Happy birthday to you, Santa Didi. Happy birthday, Santa Didi. Happy birthday, Santa Didi. Happy birthday.
God bless you, Sancha. She will
मेरे
not
को
let
बोली
you
तो
sleep.
लॉकडाउन हैप्पी बर्थडे ऑल द पिंक गुड हैप्पी वाइस बोले.
You know, when Anna speaks, we don't speak.
God bless you. Happy birthday.
I don't do.
Take care.
Hi, happy birthday, Sancha. Oh, very happy birthday to you. I just want to say Vanita Masi loves you, and just few things that I want to say. I really love the way you've been there for your mom. A selfless daughter who's just been there. There are so many instances that I can quote, but just one of them is now, just recently when you had a fall, you were more bothered when Hema was crying. You were not even bothered about your wound, but you were bothered about your mom, that she shouldn't be crying. And you're such a sweetheart. I've seen you growing since your childhood, yeah. तो गुड़िया है गुड़िया, and हमेशा मेरी गुड़िया रहेगी, and we'll always love you. Vanita Masi loves you to the moon and back. Hema and Amesh, you guys are really lucky that you have a daughter like Sanchu, and she's a sweetheart. Sai bless you. Always be a good girl like this and always support your parents. You're such a sweetheart. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sancha. Have a great day.
Hi, Sancha. Hello, everyone. It's a tough time for all, but it's a celebration time too. So here I'm wishing my little princess a delightful birthday. And the best thing about her, that she dances really well. It's a treat to watch her perform. And Sancha, I'm gonna see you soon, my little master chef.
Happy birthday, Sancha. Happy belated birthday.
Hi Sancha, happy birthday to this incredibly talented girl. I love to see your videos with dancing, cooking, and the latest your mom sends with cooking, baking. God bless you, beta. You've turned out to be a wonderful girl. Hope you're having a good day, spending time with your loved ones and doing all your favorite things. Love you, beta. Happy birthday. Say bye-bye, Lakshi.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sancha. Have a great day.
Happy birthday,
Sancha, hi. Wishing you a very happy birthday, darling. Hope you enjoy your day with your family. One thing I like in you, your cute little smile. Keep smiling always. And I know you're a very good dancer, which I don't miss it. So take care, stay home, stay safe. Once again, happy birthday. Love you, darling. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sancha beta. God bless you. Have a great day and a great year ahead. And did Zoe also want to wish you
Come on,
happy
Zoe,
birthday,
say.
Sancha.
Yay. Bye.
Bye, beta.
Bye,
Have a
love
great
you.
day.
Happy birthday, Sancha, to you. PCB boy, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to our little princess.
Sancha, I would like to tell you, you are such a small little girl with so much of energy. Your amazing dances, your singing, your cooking, your baking, I mean delicious baking that you do, and your smartness, intellect. I don't know how, I mean you just steal our hearts, you know, and may you forever sparkle and shine as a star that you are. We wish you a very happy birthday, a birthday that is as beautiful, unique as you are, and may your day be as bright as your smile and as lovely as you. Happy birthday to my little sweetheart, my Putlu. I love you so much.
Sancha, every day you continue to amaze me with your never-ending arguments, which I always love to see you win. You're such a cute, caring, loving daughter. May your birthday bring untold bliss, happiness this year. Happy to have you in my life. Love you, beta.
And you know what? You are
You're
one
a chota package
with a
with big
bada
dhamaka.
dhamaka.
Love you to the moon and back.
Happy birthday, our little princess. Love you.
Love you.